About this item: white heavy checkmark HDMI switch 3-in-1 out. This 3-port HDMI switch allows you to connect 3 HDMI input devices, TV box, to one output display, monitor, and easy to toggle between them, releasing you from plugging and unplugging cables. Plug and play with HDMI pigtail cable, save your time and money! Exclamation mark note: IT doesn't display multiple screens at a time. White heavy checkmark 4K HDR HDMI switch. HDMI switch 4K supports up to 4K, 3840x2160p at 30 Hz, 3D, UHD, 1080p at 60 Hz, and is backward compatible with lower resolution. HDMI 1.4 and HDCP compatible, supports HDR, LPCM, Dolby AC3, DTS 7.1, DTS HD, Deep Color 2.1-bit. White heavy checkmark stable transmission, 24K gold-plated corrosion-resistant connectors provide stable data transmission. This HDMI splitter supports high bandwidth up to 6 Gbps. The picture quality remains crisp and clear, no distortion of audio or video, no delay in signal transference. White heavy checkmark wide compatibility.